Hey y'all, today we are going to be working on my daughter's fall fairy garden. She has a super busy schedule, so this is going to be done in a couple of days. I'm going to start by cleaning out the fairy garden for her and getting a lot of like the base of it set up, and then allowing her to come in and add all the decor and the fairy houses and the fairies and all the little details to it. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check me out on TikTok, and I'm also on Instagram and Facebook. Okay, so this year we did the fairy garden directly into the garden, whereas last year we had actually done this boot kind of pan. You put like your wet boots on it when you come inside. I got it at Michael's one year and I punched a bunch of holes in it. So it turns out this pan works way better than when we were trying to like build it actually into the design. It raises it up enough. It keeps all the fairy like decor from sinking away, and then I can tuck in different plants and things like that. So we're going to start back with this pan in here. I'm going to go ahead and fill this with soil, put some base stuff in this, and then it will be set up ready for her to go. Donald and I are outside working on the fall fairy garden. Ivy has one special one that she's very excited about. You show them and tell them about it, baby.
So this, Mommy bought this and she wanted this to be me, this to be Donald right here. And we're making this one of the main parts of the fairy garden.
All right, so I've already kind of pre-planted everything for Ivy and Donald. Ivy has a really busy schedule, and so, but they love putting in all the little details. So we're gonna get started on that part now. Okay, thanks so much for joining us today. Hope you guys enjoyed this fall garden. Did you like it?
I had fun.
Did you like it? All right. And as always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.